Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to install a VPN into your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your apps in your Google Smart TV. Then from apps right here, simply scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to apps category right here. Then from apps category, navigate to the right sidebar right here and continue to navigate until you get to productivity. Click on OK. Then take you right here. Here you have different types of VPN right here that you can simply add into your Google Smart TV. So in this tutorial, I'm going to simply add this particular VPN right here. I'm going to add VPN Super right here. Click on OK. And this is going to pump up VPN Super Unlimited Proxy VPN. Secure private browser productivity. Get VPN Super, a secure, fast, and free VPN trusted by over 100 million users. So what you want to do right here is to simply click on install right here. So after a successful installation of the VPN, next thing you need to do is to click on open. Area, I'm here to protect your privacy. VPN, no signing, no registration, no locket. Click on get started. Then you are here. Now you have premium options, which is not compulsory. What you want to do here is to come to the top right here, click on close tab from the top right here to close this premium option. The next thing you want to do here is to make sure you click on accept and close. Now you are here. So how do we connect to this particular VPN? What we want to do is to scroll down and make sure we click on connect. Connection request. VPN want to set up a VPN connection that allow you to monitor network traffic. Only accept if you trust this source. What you need to do here is to click on OK. Then it's going to start to connect the VPN. Now you have fully connected to Japan network right here. You can see from the bottom right here. Now here, once you connect to your VPN, you can start to browse the web without any threat, and your privacy is going to be protected as far as the particular VPN is concerned. For more tutorial about how best to use your Google Smart TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.